Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuket channel with shortcut basic tutorial. Today we will learn how to use extrude command with a polygon to create a 3D pillar. Okay, first I will create a new 3D cylinder objects, and you can set for top radius 25, bottom radius 25, and then for height 5 you can click OK to apply. We create this simple 3D cylinder. You can click this polygon option, and I will select this face. I will use the extrusion command to extrude this face. Okay, you can click in here extrusion. We extrude it amount 1. You can click OK. I will use the scale command. We can scale this face. Okay, for x-axis I will set into 45 and z-axis 45. Okay, you can click in here. Now we create a cylinder object in this top face. And you can use extrude command. Okay, you can click modify extrusion. I will extrude with height 1. You can click OK to apply. We can extrude again. Okay, you can extrusion 1 again. And then I will use scale command. We can scale this face with x-axis 40 and for z-axis 40. Okay, create this simple 3D models. Next, I will use the extrude command. You can click this modify extrusion. We extrude in amount 149. You can click OK. And we can extrude with extrusion 1. In here, you can change amount into 1. Click OK. We can scale this face into 45 and 45. We extrude again. Okay, I will use extrude command to extrude this face to the top 1. Okay, now we can extrude 1 again, and then I will change scale for this face into 50, and then in here 50. Now we can extrude this face with amount 5. You can click here and change into 5. Click OK to apply. Okay, we create this simple 3D pillar. I will create the cylinder object, new cylinder object. You can click 3D step and then click cylinder. Okay, for top radius I will set into 2 and bottom radius 2. For height I will set into 150. You can click OK to apply. You can move for this mesh object into this 3D models. Okay, you can use align command. You can click utilities, click align. And I will change for reference into this mesh 1. Okay, you can change lines into center or middle. Next, I will set in here into right. Okay, you can click close. I will change into a front view. Okay, this is for front view, and I will use a move command to move this cylinder object in x-axis into 20. Okay. I will duplicate this cylinder object with copy offset. You can click tools, click copy offset, and for position in here I will change into pivot. Number of copy I will set into 12, and you can click copy. Okay, we're waiting for copy. It's already copy, and you also can select this object. I will use merge command. Okay, you can merge this all cylinder object. Click utilities, click merge objects. Okay, we're waiting for merging this all cylinder objects. And last, we can use subtract command to subtract this mesh object into this 3D models. You can change name in here, like I will change into union. Okay, and I will select these two objects. We can use a stitch and scoop. Next, you can use this difference command. Okay, now we can subtract with this union object. Click in here to apply. Okay, we're waiting, and this already subtract. You can click OK to apply. We already create this 3D models pillar with self-cut software by using polygon and extrusion command. Okay, enough today for a shortcut basic tutorial how to use extrude command with polygon to create a 3D pillar object. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another shortcut 3D modeling basic tutorial.